Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So when I was going to Orlando recently, I was looking for the perfect set of trainers that could help me during those lovely walks in Orlando at Universal and Disney, but I knew, having been there a number of times before, that my feet were going to hurt. And I tried everything before. I used to wear Nike trainers. I used to put sort of insoles in them to help with the padding, but my feet used to always hurt. And it didn't matter whether I was wearing sandals, trainers. It was a lovely experience, but afterwards I'd pay for it with sore feet. That was until I came across these. These are the Adidas Cloudfoam Walk or the Cloudfoam Go Socks. These are absolutely brilliant. So they are so good. I bought 3 pairs of these. When we had these in Florida recently, walking in Disney, Universal, 10 nights, my feet were not hurting at all. It literally feels like you are walking on a cloud, hence the name. I've never worn Adidas trainers before. I've always been a Nike person. I'm now converted. I will be going with Cloudfoam all the way. The trainers themselves are quite lightweight. They're very breathable. It's sort of got this sort of breathable sort of cloth material. The tread is good as well. So I've used them for sports as well, playing badminton, running, walking, and it's great for all of those. And the main reason I bought them, as I say, was for our Disney Universal holiday in Florida, and they didn't let me down because they kept my feet cool. They allowed them to breathe. The padding was absolutely brilliant. You could sort of see from where your foot is in there, and the layer of this cloud foam that you have, that your feet are just going to feel that comfort, which is particularly important if you're suffering from knee issues. It may help with that as well, that you've got a bit of additional padding there as well. There's no laces, as you can see from the design, which is another appealing feature of this to me. I'm fed up of sort of bending down, doing laces opening up in the parks and redoing them. So you don't have to worry about those, and you can slip these on and off very easily as well, as I will show. So these are in the sort of black and orange, and I've also bought these in the blue as well. And I think they go great with jeans or shorts as well. Now, the only one thing I would say, and I would caution when you are taking these to somewhere like Florida, is that you do get the occasional downpour. Because this material is so breathable, it does also absorb any rain. So if you are in those parks, you will know that you get the occasional downpour of rain. We were in the parks, and when it rained, these do literally soak up all of the water just like socks. So that is not the type of experience you want. If you have the first sense of rain, you want to slip these off, and you want to do what the parks normally recommend: have a pair of sandals or flip-flops that you can just put on for that 10-15 minute downpour, and then put these back on again. Unfortunately, I didn't have those, and then I had wet feet for the whole day, and then we had to use a hairdryer to dry these out because they just stay damp otherwise. But if the conditions are good, it's sunny, these are absolutely brilliant. Okay, that's the trainers. I'll quickly show you how easy they are to slip on and off as well. So the trainers are really easy to slip on and off, particularly with these loops that they've got for the front and the back to help you sort of position your feet. So they're not like the Skechers sort of slip-ons where you can just sort of put them on without doing anything like that. You won't be able to put them on like that without crushing the heel. So if you are thinking about getting the Skechers, I would say get these over the Skechers. I've got a pair of Skechers. These are way more comfortable, these Adidas. So in terms of putting them on, when you put your foot in, you can just use the tag at the back just to sort of pull that out for you so you're not crushing it. And you can use the tag at the front to just adjust it. So it's as quick as that. I've got the trainers on in just a matter of seconds. No worrying about doing laces, and they feel really nice and snug. So it's not too tight, it's not too loose, it just feels absolutely right. So I'm a size 11 in my Nike, and I've got a size 11 in these Adidas. So if you're wearing Nike, you're probably going to be getting the same type of trainer for those. In terms of taking these off, and again, I'll just show you how easy it is. I'll just use one foot. You can just pull down on there, and there you go. So very easy to take them on and off, which I absolutely love. And I just can't see you going wrong with these trainers. Hope you found those helpful and have a great time in Universal or Disney when you're next there. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.